Saya tak buka mic.
Saya tak dengar suara.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, I thought that you are just talking into air or something like that. No sound.
Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to turn on the microphone. All right, today I
Seriously.
will. Okay, today we will discuss about the 3D modeling and then how to implement some technique in the 3D modeling, such as a bevel, and then copy face. What else? We are going to use this one, yeah, under okay, duplicate, and this one, bridge, bevel, connect, and then extrude. So we try to develop a 3D model, yeah. Okay, first, our topic today, we are going to design a house, okay, because in our final assessment mini project, okay, at the end you have to create your own house, of course with all furniture that you design, such as a kitchen, a living room, a bedroom, bathroom, maybe a garage, maybe storage, okay, and so on, yeah. So how to start it, yeah? Let me give you an example, yeah. Number one, you have to select the plane here, all right, and look at the properties, yeah, under the channel box or layer editor here, okay, and then go down, select the input polyplane one, okay, and remember we are in the centimeters, yeah, we already set the centimeter. How to update it? You can still, if you still remember, click Windows, setting, preference, goes to the setting, and then select are you going to use millimeters, centimeters, meters, in inch, foot, and so on. So we are going to use centimeters, yeah. So we try to design our house as actual as we can. For example, here I set the subdivision to be 1, like this, 1, 1, width, height, let's say I set 15, like this. So I'm creating a plan. Let me zoom in. This is your wait a moment. This is your our plan, okay. Have a look here. Okay, this is the plan that we are going to create. We set 15 by 15. So why we need to design a plan, small plan? We are going to create the pillar. Of course, if you have a house, you need to construct the pillar, right? How many pillar that you have, and how to illustrate in the 3D models. Yeah. First, you can take a plane like this, goes to the properties. Okay, under the input, your properties, you set 15 by 15, 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. After that, okay, look at the four perspective view. Okay, we are going to use the top view, this one. Where is the object? This is the object. Okay, maybe you can zoom in. This one, yeah, you can see. All right. So now we are trying to create multiple pillar. Yeah. So you can click this one. Okay. How to copy? Control D. How to copy transform feature? Shift D. Yeah. So now you press Shift D, right? And then select Move tool. Okay. Then you translate it. So let's say X, you are currently 0, 0, 0, 0, yeah, X, Y, Z. Then you translate it. For example, 100 means 1 meter, yeah, 1 meter. Example, 1 meter like this. Shift D again. So you can duplicate. So for the distance between the pillar is 1 meters, isn't it? Okay. Now I'm selecting all the pillars. Okay, I want to do the same thing but multiple pillar. So I press Shift D again. I translate Z axis. I make it same 100, something like this. Shift D again. Can you see how many pillars I created? I can create it multiple. 3, 3, 3, 10. This is 10. 3, 3, 3, 9. I have 9 by 10. So it become like this. So now, when you are designing your house, you remember you have to later on you can resize. Yeah, you can resize your what you call room size or living room size or kitchen size. You can exactly resize it after you complete. Sir, I cannot open Maya. What happened? You cannot open Maya. Just double click, yeah. Later on, yeah. Let me proceed first, yeah. Okay, yes. Later on, supposedly, this issue should be done before the class, yeah. If we go to the class, okay, yeah. This is a good question. How to make it? How to see the from the top view? Press spacebar. You can see 4 option. Okay, 4 option like this. You can see perspective, spacebar again. I select this one, top. Spacebar again. I can see the X. X nothing because we don't start. We don't extrude yet. Yeah. So currently we are designing a pillar. So we are in the we should use the from top view here. You can use a space button, yeah, to display your top view here. So now currently I have a 9 by 10, yeah, 9 by 10. So let's say I want to create this is 1 meter, 1 meters, 1 meters, 1 meter, 1 meter, and so on. So I have 10 meters, okay, 10 meters here, and from to horizontal. For vertical one is a 9. So let's say I'm creating a living room at here. Example, yeah. This is my living room area. Okay. I have to create, let's say, 4 meters. Yeah, 4 meters times 4 meters, something like this. I delete it. And then my kitchen, maybe not the sequence with the door. Supposedly, I designed the door will be here. Okay, maybe the kitchen will be a little bit behind. So I remove this area. Okay. Maybe the wall, okay, will goes to the left like this, left and then right like this. And this is my kitchen area, example. Yeah. 2 by 4, yeah. I think too small. So let us increase one more. So I remove it, this one. So it become, the living room become 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Yeah. 5. 4 by 4 or 4 by 5. Yeah, living room 4. This is 4 by 5. This is 5. This is 4. Yeah. And this is the kitchen area. Example. And then maybe here I don't have it. I don't plan to make any room here, so I'm going to remove this one. Okay, now I have several. Maybe this is a bedroom. Okay, so I remove this. Okay, room number 1. This is room number 2, and maybe this is a bathroom or storage. I think bathroom here. So I have 1 bathroom, I have 2 bedroom, I have 1 kitchen here, and I also have a living room. This is the example. So, do we need all the pillars here? No, actually we need pillars here to make it design the location. We want to get the location, exactly location. Actually, we can remove this one. We only need 2. If you want to create this one. If you want to do this one, okay, 1. How about this? From this side into this side, this is 1 wall. So actually, we just leave it left and right. If you are the architecture, of course, you are not going to add pillar, many things. We can usually we put it on the corner. So here we just put in the corner one, so I can remove this one also. Okay, this one, because of the we have a room here, a bedroom. Okay, so I will remove 2 of this, and this one same, because it will be 1. 1 room, and this one can be removed, unnecessary. Only left and right. Okay, only at the corner one, then you can put the pillar. So this is the design your house that you want to develop. An example. Next, what should we do? Okay, after we set the position, the pillar position, you have to combine all the pillars, become become an object. How? Select all like this. Okay, then go to the mesh, combine. Okay, now you are make it become an object. So the next step, we need to create a bridge, between pillars. So you have to edit the edges. Right click, edges, editing mode. So can you see my mouse here? Maybe you start from the beginning. Okay, let's say I design this one is a door. It will be here. Example. Later on we can create a door, but now we are trying to connect between pillars. Pillar to another pillars. I select this. Can you see the yellow one here? I'm selecting the edges, right? And then I press Shift button. Okay, click this one. Can you see there are 2 yellow color here, or orange, yellow or orange here? Then select bridge like this. Again, so my house, we have a turn left. We come here, Shift, select both edges, bridge. Okay, next, this one. Okay, do the same thing to all the pillar. Okay, so you are drawing, you are designing your house. Okay, bridge again. This one, bridge. Oops, sorry. Okay, this is the room. Okay, you have a connection here. Okay, connect all. Okay, let me open a Q&A. Sir, macam mana nak buat kotak banyak-banyak tu? Macam mana nak buat kotak banyak-banyak? Shift D. Itu Aina jawab tadi. Macam ni. Okay. You select. This is the aids, yeah. So you have to change to object mode. Okay. This is I already combined it. So I have to create a new one. Example. Where is it? Play this one. Where is the area? Let me do. Okay. Oh, very tiny. Let me check the layer. I create a new one. Another one. Height 15 like this. This is one subdivision. Yeah. One. Okay. Can you see this one? Suraya, do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have a look here. How to make it multiple or many pillar? Yeah. So you click this one. You select this one, okay, and then press Shift D. Shift D is a copy transform feature. It means that you have to drag first this one. How far you are going to translate into Z? Look at the right side. Ada nampak kan? Translate Z. Now 177. So if you translate, let's say 100, yeah, become like this. It means 1 meters. Okay, because we are in the centimeter. Contoh, I set contoh. For example, like this. Then don't select anything after you translate it. Just press Shift D again. It will duplicate. Same. 101, 101, and so on. Like this. If you done this one, select all, and then Shift D again, translate to here, example. You can see before this is a 320. So 420, example. Then Shift D again. So you can create multiple vertical pillar here. Is it answering your question?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Great. So I give you 5 minutes or 10 minutes to draw this one, to complete this one. Example, I'm creating now is the first bedroom. So let's say I have to select the edges, zoom in. I wanna select this, shift, multiple. Shifting is for multiple object. Okay, and then bridge. Okay. Okay. It become like this. So I give you 5 minutes to complete it. 5 to 10 lah. Finish? Any other question? Sir, sorry boleh tak ulang part bridge saya buat tak jadi. Alright. After you create all the pillars, yeah, you need to block, yeah, and then select all, yeah, pillar, and then click combine, mesh combine. Okay. After that, right click, choose edges. So now you are in the edges mode. Then you can click both, yeah, by shifting, yeah, by press hold shift button until like this. You can see two yellow here. Then you can click bridge. Or maybe Aina, can you can share to us your screen. Then let me help you.
Tapi saya tengah share.
Okay, I stop my.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now combine all the pillar. Select all. Mesh. Something wrong. Can I see what happened? Poly. I cannot. I cannot read it. Too small. Cannot. Can you?
Wait. Polyunite needs at least two polygonal objects.
Okay. Goes to the right click first. The object. Goes to the object mode. Select all.
Select all.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Click one. Try. Why?
click.
Any one of the object. One.
Then tak
Oh,
boleh
this
tu.
one already combined. This one, yeah. This one already. Already merged. If you want to check, you can translate X, translate the red one using a curve. Move.
Eh,
No, don't center. Yeah, yes. So okay, this one ready. Ready.
combine.
Ready combine. Now right click. Goes to the edge mode.
Each.
Uh-huh. Select
And then
the edges that you want. Okay. Right, and then shift button. Okay.
this one too.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then select the bridge.
Bridge. This one kan?
Hmm.
Oh. Okay.
Then
Itu je
continue.
kan sir?
Huh?
Okay. Thank you sir.
Okay. Okay, if you done, and then let me know, yeah. Then we will proceed. If not, okay, I will wait. At least you can draw like this, yeah. Okay, yeah. We are waiting the other student. Okay. At the same time, we also can resize. Yeah, we also can resize the size. Maybe we already plan the living room 5 by 4 meters, isn't it? Then let's say suddenly the owner, okay, I want a 5 by 5. They want a square living room. Example, what happened as a designer? So you also should can you should or able to adjust your models. So how to adjust the model? Suddenly before this 5 by 4 of oh yeah 5 by 4 okay meters. Now the owner changed to be 5 by 5. So as the artist, they have to able to adjust it. Yeah, you can select all this like this. We have to change into the vertex. Remember, if you want to uh, update the size, you have to use a vertex. Don't use edges or face. Yeah, you have to use a vertex like this. Okay, where is the living room? Okay, this area. Then I select the plane again. Okay, I drag first here. This my plane, and then I change it 5 by 5. Oh, the owner requests 5 meter by 5 meter. 5 meters means how many centimeters? 500. Kan? Subdivision, make it one. Ah, so this is the living room. The uh, requested by owner. So we have to check here. Ni dah betul lah. Kurang sikit. Contoh lah. Kurang. Uh, uh, let's say for example, we want to increase this one. So right click again, goes the vertex. Okay. Select this area. Okay. I drag like this. Then this is the living room that we want. Okay. Living room here, and then this is a right click again, vertex. Okay, select this area, then you set it like this. Okay, this is 5 meters. How about this? Select this. Okay, ini baru 5 meters, tapi kat sini ada. So maknanya contoh lah, saya nak buat macam ini living room area. Maybe this is the storage. The storage will be left, for example. So you can, this is storage, and this is the bathroom. But you have to resize again. How about your kitchen? Your kitchen, how many centimeter that you want? How many meters you want? Nur Aina? Aina? Nur Aina? Tak ada. Faris Akmal? Tak ada juga. Suraya Azman? Ya, Suraya Azman.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I have a question to you. What is the size of your kitchen? Huh? Too long.
500. 500.
5 meters.
500 sentimeter.
Yeah, 5 meters.
500.
Right?
Nah,
And then height?
sama.
Ya ke?
Tak. Eh,
Oh, ini tak bukan tak
5
sebenar.
meter.
Serious or not? I will visit your house, ya. Let me ask. Nazrin Helmi. Hello, Nazrin. How are you?
Yes.
Okay, Nazrin.
Yes.
What is the size of your kitchen?
Uh, 8 kot.
Hah?
8 kot.
8 meters? Besarnya kitchen, your kitchen.
Cepat.
Ke you never enter the kitchen? I think so. Example, the kitchen maybe 3 by 4. Example, 3 by 4. So maybe uh, the width is 300, and then this is a 400. Okay, it will be like this. The kitchen. So kurang besar sikit ya. So this one, I right click, goes the vertex, and then adjust it. So now I have a kitchen 3 by 4. Same like the bedroom. If you want to create you need to resize the bedroom as the actual as you want. 3 by 4 or 3 by 3 or 3 by 5. Then you need to adjust. Okay, for the rest I will leave it, then you can adjust by yourself. Finish here. Any one of you want to share your screen? David, maybe?
Just not so much. My computer is not quite in good shape. I'm using my phone right now.
Okay, but later on you can practice, David? It's okay, no problem. How about the others, student? At least one of you, can you share your screen to prove that you can follow my instruction? Hello, any one of you can share? Or can I proceed now? Okay, let me proceed. I assume everyone able to do this one, No more question. If you have question, okay, please let me know in this stage before we move the other. Before we proceed. Can I proceed now?
Yes, sir.
All right. So after you design, your house, next you need to extrude it, isn't it? You can go to the perspective view here. Okay, this is your 3D models. You can see, okay, this is your kitchen, this is the living room, this is the bedroom, but this is not actual size yet. Okay, you have to resize as a living room and the kitchen, the way how to set the building itself. So next one is you need to extrude it, make it become a house. Currently, just a map, just a pillar. So next, we have to select the face because we want to extrude all of these things. Isn't it? Select all. Become like this. Select all. And then press Shift button. Okay. Can see extrude. Yeah. One, release. Second, release. Third one, release. And finally, fourth one. Yeah. Don't worry about the highest of this one because you can adjust it later on. Huh? Okay. Okay. This is a building. For example, macam tak proper nih design dia. Let me adjust it. Oh, because we already this one. Yeah, if you have a, okay, never mind. Never mind. Okay. You can see the line is not really proper because of the coordinate, yeah, 0.0 something. It's okay, never mind. Later on, you can make it better. Yeah. But this is example. Okay, let's say now we are going to why. Okay, the question is why I have to extrude 4 times. Okay, number one, the first one you need to set the border of the window. Okay, the second one, you have to set the top of the door. Okay, and the third one is a ceiling. Okay, and the last one here is the maybe the roof. Usually we can what we can multi-cut to be triangle, something like this. Okay, but remember the third one is the ceiling one. Ceiling. This is the door, and this is the border of the windows. The uh, the the windows and also the top of windows and the top of the door is same. Yeah, we set the same. So next we want to get the actual size again. How? I can select the cylinder here. Okay, and then I save it like this, and then I go to the properties, poly cylinder. Okay, the height. Let's say we want to check the for the what you call windows. Window, starting from the floor to the windows. How many centimeters? Let's say you start from 70 centimeter, then we have a window, sir. Then you have to set 70, yeah, because 70 centimeters from the floor. Okay, and then the radius maybe I set to 20, make it larger. Okay, like this. Okay, 70 centimeter from the floor. Yeah, I think okay. Oh, this one. So you can see, oh, the difference means your actual building is not the actual size. So you can press the space, yeah, then select the X. This is the cylinder. Okay, have a look here. Let's say I use the what we call the X axis, yeah, to get the size. So this is your building. So supposedly this one is the border of the window, isn't it? So I can right click vertex. I'm going to adjust it, isn't it? So I select this one, this area. Then I extrude down like this. Tak nampak. Okay, I cannot see. So I translate it again. Okay. Same or not? Not similar, sir. Vertex again. All right. Now same. 70 centimeters. After that, what's next? Oh, no, no, no. Object one. Next is the door. The door, how many centimeter? Usually 200, 210. For example, 210. You set at 210, then you can set like this. This is the door. Back to here, right click again, vertex. Set this one. Okay, so this is the door. This is the size of the 210 centimeter. How about the ceiling? Any one of you know the ceiling of your house? Example, 350, yeah? 350. Okay, this is the ceiling. So next, we have to downgrade the building. I select this area. So this is the ceiling. So the rest, this one, I can you can leave it later on because we are going to multi-cut here. Usually do like this. Okay. Finish, yeah? Then back to the perspective one. Okay. This is the where is perspective? Something wrong. Tops. A few camera setting. This is perspective. Okay. So right click again, object mode. Okay, you already set this one. This is the this is in front. Okay, this is okay, this is in front, and this is the I can remove this one. Okay, in front, and then this is kitchen and so on. So what's next to do? Sir, do we have to drag the? Can we just input the height? Because this is the whole, this is the whole object. This if you look at this one, if you increase one object, increase all, you cannot set one by one. You can imagine you have how many items you have. This one, you have a bedroom, you have a kitchen. Are you going to set one by one? Oh, it will be tedious. So you have to select all of this building. Set up building, increase the ceiling, increase or decrease the ceiling, decrease the door. This is not the only way. Otherwise, you have to do one by one. If one by one, there is a possibility make a mistake. Okay. If you look at the wireframe, press 4, then you can see the detail. Unless this one, yeah, this is not real size yet. Only the kitchen and this one yet. I didn't resize this one area. Yeah. Okay. Next, I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to show how to create the door. Okay, we have this area. Okay. Okay. How to select which one the door will be put it. Yeah. For example, this one in this area. So the tips I give it to you, once you select the wall, okay, you have to select from this one because I'm going to edit this one. Oh, sorry, I have to select this. Yes, this one. It means I'm selecting this area, this wall. Okay. If you do like this, okay, this is your current position. Okay, then I do this one like this. What happened? You are selecting the other part. This one, this one, this one, this one. Huh? You are selecting this area. How about that if I do like this? Example. Look at this. You are selecting this area. So the only way, number one, you have to rotate like this. This is rotate like this. Okay. And then I'm selecting from this to this. Then I will get only this wall. The rest I didn't select it because I'm going to modify this. Clear?
Clear, sir, clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then do subdivision. Last week we already make subdivision, isn't it? Goes to the edit mesh tool. Okay, connect. Kan? Mau increase berapa? 14. Okay, 6, 4. The door usually 2 ya. Ada 2 ke? Something like this. And then enter. So what happened this one? So suddenly you make mistake this one, sir. What happened? Maya, behind the Maya there is a programming actually. There is a logical programming. If you look at here, actually all the procedure is correct. Okay, but something happen if you do the connect. Supposedly from the top, yeah, from the top here, from the top. Can you see there is a diagonal like this? Okay. The problem is, yeah, because on the beside this one, if you look at this one, there is a black area here, and this is the result that you output something. There is a triangle. Actually, this is wrong. Yeah, wrong. Yeah. So what should you do here? You have to fill up this one, the black area first, then do subdivision. Otherwise, become like this. The what we call the subdivision is something like broken here. This is broken. Okay. So let us repeat again. Control Z, Z again. Okay. So we have to do this one first. Okay. Fill the gap first. How? This is face, isn't it? Right click, face. Are we going select one by one? Yes, you can do that one. Yeah. But I will not do the one by one because too many here. There is a small rectangle here. What happen if you have a large building? Take time. Yeah. So I'm select all, but I select face first. Yeah. I select all. Then I check. Okay, I am selecting this area too. Kan? This one also all. I'm selecting all. Then I make it reverse. Yeah. Mesh display reverse. Reverse from the grayscale, the fill solid form to be empty form, transparent like this. But on the bottom, have a look at the bottom here. There is a solid form, the bottom one. Because I make it reverse. Yang tak ada become ada. Not non-solid form become solid form. The solid form become the black area. Next, I'm selecting this area again. I make it like this. Okay. Horizontal. Because I don't want to select the bottom one. I select again here. Up to here. I will not select the bottom because the bottom already solid. Let me check again. Can I see? I'm not selecting this area already solid. Then I do reverse back. Reverse. Now become all the solid form. This one solid, this one also. This one also same. Then you can do subdivision correctly because you are in the form and in the solid form. Repeat again. Okay. I'm change into edges. I select this area. Mesh tool, connect. Yeah. And then enter correctly. Okay. Double click. Okay. Let's say the position of the door will become here. Okay. This one, double click, drag it. This is 210 centimeter, isn't it? Right? Okay. And then I'm going to delete it, the face. Delete. Just delete it, this one. Delete, 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 delete. Okay. You just create a dot. 210. Okay. Sir, I can see the black, the whole area. So you can fill it. Yeah. Are you going to do the same thing? But now have a look here. It's a little bit different the previous one. If you select this one, actually you are selecting the behind. The behind. Yeah. If you select that one behind, something like this is empty. So the only edges. We can use it through edges. Okay. Just double click. You are selecting all. And how to fill in this gap? You can unselect this area. Why unselect this area? Because we are going to use a bridge as the usual bridge. But the bridge, the condition is should be opposite. Yeah, we cannot do a link the edges and use the bridge. It cannot be happen. Should be opposite. If opposite, I have to unselect this area. And then unselect this area. Shift, unselect this area. So there are two unselected. Then you can go to the bridge. See? Try. I give you 10 minutes to do this one. If you have a problem, let me know. Okay, I give you time to duplicate. Any question? Please. You can write into the chat box if you have question. Any one of you complete it? We still have 10 minutes. I give you 10 minutes to do that one. Any other question? Let me ask student to share your screen. Furqan.
Tengah buat je.
Okay.
Belum siap.
Okay. Lam Tui Shan.
Tengah buat juga.
Again. Muhammad Syahmin.
Tengah buat.
Tengah buat. Okay. Maybe we can make it together, Muhammad Syahmin. You can share your screen. Wah, great. Size pun okay. The bottom you can delete first. But the bottom one. Tu. Yang black area tu, you can delete. Select face. Edges now. Okay, nice. Yes, you cannot do zoom in again. Go down. Okay, unselect the bottom. Select the edges. Double click. Not select like this. Select the edges. Yes, any edges. Double click. Double click. Oh, don't. Oh, yeah. Now this is correct. So you are selecting all, and then unselect the bottom one. And don't not cannot. Unselect one. Okay, left side. And then bridge. Nice. Okay, great. Zoom out. Okay. Wow. Very good. Muhammad Shahmin. Let me take note. Your name. Student ID. Student ID. Berapa? Muhammad Shahmin. CD 20119. Other student? How about the other student? Okay, Intan, Anissa, do you want to share your screen? Left. Yong Hong Hui, how about you? Yong Hong Hui. Okay. One more. Kai Lun. Not here. Irfan Safwan.
Yeah.
Yes.
Uh,
Can you share your screen?
no, not yet. In progress.
In progress.
Yeah.
Okay. Can we proceed? I'm waiting the others first. Okay, let me proceed. Yeah. In order to create the roof here, yeah. In order to create a roof, there are several ways, such as cutting. Yeah. This one, multi-cut. Here, you also can use a multi-cut, and there are several ways. Yeah. Example. Let me give you example. Okay. I create the Control D example. This one. Okay, let's say this one. Let me change the object. No, where is the input? Oh, this one has an input. This one. Let's say example. I set the height. Okay, this one is scale. So for example, is a one. I scale it about 10 meters. So let's say I did not scale this one, and but I'm using a width and height. Okay, oh, something wrong. Sorry, I made it wrong. This is okay. This is plain. This is a plain. 10,100. Let me repeat again. I have a plane. I have one. This is, for example, 2,000, 20 meters. That's correct one. Okay, for example, I have a plane. This is a 6 meter. So let me create a 6 meter. Maybe.
Sir, your screen, sir.
Oh, moment. Oh, I didn't share it. Your screen still visible. Others. Stop screen. Okay, let me repeat again, yeah. I select a plane here, and then I'm going to edit this one, the width and height, because I've our living room here. I designed 6 by 6 meters. So let's say the roof maybe 8, yeah, 800 or 900, yeah, 900, 900, and you can see we also have a what you call a bedroom here. So the height will be, like example is I add the 3 meters, maybe to be 1,200, 100, 2,000, 1,200. Let me reduce it. Maybe we can see from the top here. Then I can see here how is the exactly size that we need. Yeah. Let's say this one. We also can resize here. Resize this one. I think okay. 800. Okay, but I already scale it, yeah. Scale 0.8 something. Okay, example, this one, like this. So I create the plane, and then I can create the, what do you call, I resize it. I set the size of the plane, and then I put on the top here. So in the for the top, there are several ways to create the roof here. Number one, you can do a subdivision here, okay. Edges like this, mesh tool, connect. We make it one. Okay. Okay, enter. And then you also can not extrude, you can scale it. Or this one, use a move tool. You can make it like this. Okay. Right click, object mode. This is example. Example like this. And then you also can edit this one again. Okay. You can extrude, you can connect again. Okay. Maybe several. Yeah, maybe 3 segment. Okay. Double click this one. Then let's say have a look at this one. We want to get the middle one here, and then we also can double click here and then translate it, okay, in the middle. This one also can translate it in the here, something more. Okay, something like this. So you can use the subdivision, yeah. So you can see. Okay, after that, you also can use a multiple cut. You can click this one and then use a multiple cut here. Click this one until this one, example, and this, enter. Then right click to face. Oops, sorry. Okay, like this one, click this face and then delete it. Yeah, you can delete like this. And then you also can select this area, these edges, and then shift this, and then you can rotate like this. You also can extrude. Yeah. No. You can move. You can select the move tool here. Then you can do like this. Okay. And then you can select the scale tool to rotate like this. You can do like this. You can using multiple cut. You also can create a rooftop like this. Yeah. You can go to the object, select. An example, maybe you need to offset there. Maybe you cutting, so supposedly cutting from here. I make mistake. Maybe cutting not this one. I repeat again, yeah. I repeat again. Okay. I select the edges. Okay. Double click, and then let's say cutting here. Okay. This one. Okay. You give a space here, offset here. Okay. And then you can cut select the multiple cut here, this one, and then for example you put here middle, this one, enter it. Yeah, click this one again, choose the faces, select this one like this. Okay, select the edges, shift. Okay, select the move tool. Select extrude first. Yes, this one, and then select the scale tool. Then you can get this rooftop. Goes to the object. This is the first way. How about the second way? If first way, you have to think about this one. You have to close this area. Yeah. You also can do like this. Yeah. Ini kan tadi kan example. This is the ceiling, right? Okay. We are going to cut this one. Yeah. We are going to cut this. Okay. Select this one. Okay. Number one, you select this object, press shift, select this second object. You can see the blue and the white color. Then you can go to the maybe boolean, maybe difference, different intersection. Yeah. Back again. Boolean intersection. Let me Control D. Just for duplicate this one. Select this one, and then Boolean intersection. Intersection supposedly something like incorrect. Supposedly not intersection, this one. Supposedly this one. Edit mesh Boolean supposedly different. Intersection is the same. But sometimes the Maya has become like this. The result. So you have to be adjustable. Intersection supposedly is different. Yeah, supposedly different. But now using intersection, then you can drop this one to the house. Something like this. Only offset. Offset. Okay. Next thing about the finishing. How to make a finishing of your this one, your door example. Let me show it to you. Example. Let me choose the faces here. Select face. Yeah. Okay. I will select this area. Yeah. Select the face, only the face. Don't select extrude. Maybe this one minus. Okay. So now I'm selecting the door, the polygon of the door. If you look at this one, it's too sharp, it's too simple. So we want to make it something like become realistic one. So what should you do? I already copy the face of the door. Okay. Then I'm selecting the um, edit mesh. Okay. Choose the duplicate one. Okay. I already duplicate the face of the door. Okay. Now, okay, I'm selecting the door. Okay. And then edit mesh, duplicate. Macam ni ya? Sangat. Wrong. Oh, so it's like this. But I have to make it center pivot first. Modify center pivot. Okay, I'm selecting this area. Right click object. Where is it? This is the object center pivot. So supposedly like this, yeah. Okay. And then after I'm selecting this, what we call, I already duplicate the face of the door. Okay, and then I save it. Okay, I translate it. Then you can use the extrude. Okay. Don't worry about this one. There is a what you call not offset, something like diagonal, yeah, something like this, yeah. Don't worry about that. You can fix it. Yeah. How? You can double click this one using select the edges here. Okay. And then goes to the this one. Select the scale tool. Okay. Then drag. Wait, moment. Select this one. This one only one, one area. So maybe you have to select one by one like this. Like select the edges again, yeah. Repeat only this area. Okay, and then select the scale tool. Okay, select the red one. Yellow one. Okay. Now, okay, this is larger, yeah. So let us double click, control backspace, and also control backspace. Let us see again. Can we fix it or not? This one. All right. Select scale tool. Goes to the maybe this one also, both, yeah. And then select the yellow one. Drag it. Now is it to be line or not? Ya kan? Become a line, isn't it? Yang ini tak lagi. Okay, you can do the same thing. Double click, control backspace like this. Backspace. We zoom it. Okay. Select this and this both, yeah, both, and then choose the yellow one. Choose the yellow one. This one. Yeah, you drag it to the left like this. Drag it from the right to left. Then you can see already fixed. Yeah, the line become a line. After that, okay, you also can extrude, yeah, this door, because we want to make it like this. Yeah, we want to make it border, something like a border. If you put here, okay, if you zoom in, okay, there is offset, isn't it? Offset. But if you refer back to the from the inside, maybe we have to walk. Okay, then rotate it. There is a few centimeter, a few centimeter. This is your wall. Sorry, this is the wood, for example. Okay, but supposedly this wood supposedly not thinnest but become a larger. Yeah, so we can see first. Okay, let's say I'm going to what we call increase this area. So we can select the vertex here. Then we select this area. Okay. So let me rotate first. Be careful to check to select this one. So for example, I'm selecting this area. Okay. You can double check here. There are two. This one also supposedly edit. You can zoom in again, pen in this one and this one. So we are going to shift this one, become larger, little bit larger. Okay, and add like this. Then okay, you've done. Goes to the object again and put the wall. Put okay. Yeah. If you look at here inside, become the surface become little bit. Can you see the surface? Yeah, this one should be a bigger than the wall. Yeah. After that, okay. After you make it something like border like this, example, you also can do the what we call baffle. Yeah, yeah. You can use a baffle like this, and then you play the fraction. Yeah, and then the segment. Okay, and you also can conduct this one baffle. Okay, I think nice. Then go to the object. Okay. So this is your for finishing, yeah, for finishing your door. You can use what we call a bevel to make it smooth texture here. Okay, I think any question? Any one of you has a question?
How about the door, sir?
Okay, do this one first, one by one. Try first. Try. I give you 10 minutes, yeah? 10 to 15, okay. To finishing the door, and you also can create the, what we call, the window, okay? Do the same thing, yeah? For the window, yeah? But you have to open the roof first. Okay. So insert here. Do the same thing like this. Oh, this is the object, yeah? Select the edges. Okay, this area. Okay, it's better to don't cutting first, yeah? Better to finish this, or you can do this one, same. Select 1, 2, 3, and also the from the inside. Yeah. Then you can continue for the windows. Windows first. Okay, the door and the windows first. Try first. Give you 10 to 15 minutes. Any question, or you want to share your progress? Try first. Which one do you have a problem? Muhammad Firdaus Irfan?
I'm not doing it, sir. I lost already.
Lost. Okay. Let me repeat. In which part?
In the first, like, the square one, the early one, because I go to toilet, then after I come back, already the new thing that you teach. So I lost. So I will watch your
Okay.
video
Which
later.
one? The door or the roof?
The wall, the early one.
Oh, okay. The what we call the door, yeah. Something like finishing, yeah. Detailing up the door.
Tak sir, yang awal-awal punya tu.
Okay,
Yang
you share it.
awal-awal lagi.
Okay.
I have,
Can you share your screen?
saya dah tutup sebab saya dah jauh sangat.
Oh, jauh sangat.
Jauh sangat. So saya nak tengok video je lepas ni.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry
Let
sir.
me stop the video presentation, yeah. So you can see the for as a reference.